name is Bethany, and as you can tell by the title, your girl is going ginger. And black girls going ginger is everywhere, and rightfully so, because everybody going ginger looks absolutely insanely beautiful. I don't know. I have to try. I have to try, and today is the day I'm trying, and I'm trying it myself. My hair. I dyed it jet black, so I have to use Color Oops to get the jet black back to my natural shade of hair, which is dark brown, and then that's when I can go in with the ginger. But before I do all that, I need to cut my hair. It's just kind of crying for help, and today's the day that it stops crying, okay? So I'm gonna cut my hair. So let's get started. If you know me in real life, with scissors and hair, yeah, I have no problem cutting my hair, but I've never cut like an actual style. Oh my god, this is so cute! And this isn't even like properly cut. Like I'm still gonna go back in and clean it up. I want it shorter. I want it shorter. I'm gonna be back when it's fully cut bluntly. I'll be back when it's fully cut on this side. It just already looks so much healthier. And the thing about it is we have to, like, I'm saying we as if you are helping me right now. We have to factor in the fact that this is the length of it straight. We have to factor in shrinkage. So I don't know if I want to keep going shorter, because then my curly little afro is gonna be like this. So I'm just gonna go in on this side, and then we're gonna go in with Color Oops to lift the jet black hair dye, and then we dye my hair.
What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob? Stop playing, nigga, you know that I'm known for the Bob.
Also, like, I'm just thinking how cute this bob is gonna be. Like, the ginger bob is gonna be when it's like straightened. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? She's cute. So Color Oops is next. And when I was watching videos on like Color Oops or whatever, I heard it stinks. And the girl that I watched, she had jet black hair, but she was dyeing her hair to red. And she said it stinks. She said it smelled like green eggs or something like that. Rotten eggs. So I'm happy she prepared me. And on the box it says it takes only 20 minutes. So I guess we just go. It says safe and easy. Okay, I hope this is not false advertisement. Pour the entire bottle in contents 1 into the applicator bottle 2. 1 and 2. Just so y'all know I could read or whatever. About to get a little messy. So now I have to literally just get an old t-shirt. Literally this is like my pajama top, so like it's okay. Oh, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Why not? So right now I'm just sectioning my hair. Oh, it does stink. And my door is closed. Ooh. Lord. Oh my god, why does this stink like that? I feel like I'm going through my head pretty fast. Oh my god, this stinks. My cousin is calling me right now because she had no faith in my bob. Hey girl.
Hey girl, you know why I called.
I know why you called, and I just told my vlog why you called. It's looking like a bob, right?
Okay, it's not bad. The cut's not bad.
Yeah, I know. This is not even a cat, but it'll do. It is currently 2:57. My timer will end at 3:17 p.m. So I'll check in back with you guys once my 20-minute timer is done. Okay, so I don't know if it translates on camera, but it is a little lighter. This is my natural hair color. Hopefully I got all the Color Oops out. And what was like tripping me up was that there was nothing like coming out. Like if you dyed your hair before, like the dye comes out as you rinse it. With the Color Oops, nothing was coming out. So I was like, is it out? Is it out? Like I don't know. But I rinsed it for a while. Like they said, like the more you rinse, the better the results are. So because this is a different brand than I usually use to dye my hair, I usually use Cream of Nature. So I just wanted to read the instructions to be sure, and they told me to moisturize my hairline. Now the same process, they give you like 2 bottles and then 1 goes into 2. So now I just get to shaking until, this one didn't give me a time. It literally just says shake until like the color is like all the same throughout. So just keep shaking. And if you've never dyed your hair before, it will tell you on the box, but you're not supposed to start at your roots. One, I think it'll actually like burn a little bit. If you like massage it into your scalp. One time, not one time, when I was literally dyeing my hair jet black, the color that it just was, I knew the rule of like not putting it into your scalp, so I didn't do that. But I literally had to itch my hair so bad. And then I itched it, and then it was literally burning for a little bit. So just be careful if you're planning to dye your hair that you just don't do that. Ah! Oops. But I will say, if your hair is longer than mine and as thick as mine, consider getting 2 boxes. Because my hair is like short right now, but like I have a lot of it, which is why it like ate the bottle basically. Okay, I didn't realize how much of a mess red hair is. Lord, it's staining everything. Okay, not everything. It's just staining my robe, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm hard at work right now. And you know the color Oops smells bad because my mom literally came home and she was like, Bita, what is that smell? I said, Mom, please. Because my hair is not permed or relaxed, it's the instructions say keep it in for 30 minutes, but I'm probably gonna keep it till 35-40 minutes if I'm being completely honest. But I'm keeping it, I might keep it in longer to be honest. Would you believe me if I said that this is after I wash the dye out? Would you believe me if I said this is what it looks like after I've washed the dye out? You know why? Because color Oops did not work. I'm gonna take accountability for it. Even though I read the instructions, I should have kept the color Oops in longer, knowing my hair and just how thick it is. But at least I have like some color. But sorry y'all, my mom is in the shower. Let me style my hair so you guys can see even like the slightest bit of color right there. But it's like I'm the guinea pig, you know? It's like I'm the guinea pig. But now you know, if your hair is as thick as mine or thicker than mine, longer than mine, whatever, definitely keep the color Oops in as long as you can, like literally, because you don't want this to happen. That clip of me was me smiling through the pain of having no ginger hair. But I learned my lesson. Next time I do this, because this girl, yeah, she's gonna be ginger. It's gonna be my ginger era very soon, by fire, by force, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. No ginger hair for me today, but this cut, yeah. But let me come closer so you guys can see where the ginger is. It caught like literally at the front and like the perimeter of my head, like where my edges are and everything. And as I was like parting my hair to see, you know, and just to like style my hair for today, I saw where it was catching, and it was really catching at the roots. And I think that's because the color Oops faded at like literally my roots and not the whole head of mine. But it's okay. I'm the guinea pig, right? I'm the guinea pig, so it's okay. Now you know, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm about to rock my new little bob, okay? Me and my bob are out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.